you have it set up just like that, where it makes it so much easier, so much more efficient, and then you can have free time to work on your business and not, work on your business and not in your business. That makes sense?
I love that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that's
Oh,
that.
this is so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as a matter of fact, what I'll do is, let's see if I have, let's go to my Google, and I do everything with Google Drive. I save all of my files and everything in Google Drive.
Okay.
And it's free. That's why I like it. So
Yeah.
it makes it really, really simple. So I'm looking for my virtual assistant. So in my virtual assistant folder, I have a lot of checklists and stuff for them to do. So I'll send them a copy of whatever it is I need them to do, and it breaks
Mm.
it down. So I'm going to show you, let's see, for performing, let's see, setting up appointments, check daily tasks, checklist for social media. No, not that one. That's not the one. Let's go to this one. Okay, so this is for my virtual assistant. So for them to perform cold calls from the CRM program, right?
Mhm.
So with my virtual assistant, you can add them on as a
Mhm.
staff member, right? So adding them on as a staff member, you can give them access to certain things within the CRM program. They don't have to have access to everything, but you
Mhm.
can specifically say, hey, I'm gonna give you access to these things